Yep.
Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today we have this plug-in track light, and I have all the pieces in front of me because I wanted to see what came with it and how we're going to put it up before we put it up in our kitchen. So a couple things I found out. One, I had to drill a second hole here. Again, not a big problem, but definitely drill a second hole so that way you have something to mount it to, because it does not come with a second hole, it comes with the one. Give you more stability. Then you take this track piece off. It basically has a screw. You unscrew that, then you pop the end off, and then this is your connector. If you look at the connector, it's got two and then one, so you're going to be lining it up onto your track so you can see two and one. So make sure you have it the right orientation. So there's a couple ways you can flip it around. Then that's going to go in this way. So you got the single track up top, and then at two different heights here, and then that basically slides in, and then that's going to be your connecting point for the track. And again, take out this screw on this side, pop this out. I drilled the second hole again on this rail as well for more stability, and then you are basically lining this up, and then you are pushing this whole track piece in and together like so. And then on this end is going to be your plug. So you take the plug out, and then your plug piece basically goes the same way. You have both the electrified tracks right here. So this is on the bottom, the single one goes on top, so that it lines up to your track piece, and then that goes forward. And again, these do slide apart, so we'll tighten up everything once we get the assembly piece together. Now you can put in all these screws, and then the lights themselves, same thing. It's got the two pieces on the bottom, one on the top. This goes up and down, and what you are doing is you are basically putting it like this. You're sliding this piece up, and then that makes your connection for your track light. Okay, let me mount it and I'll show you what it looks like after we have it up. Okay, so you need the MR16 GU10 base LED bulbs. And so they look like this, and it has that weird kind of base. And then this unscrews, and then you put that bulb down into there, and you basically just twist, and then that's it. And then you put this back on, and then you're ready to mount. All right, so this is the before, and that is the after. Now, wow, what a big difference. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.